Hey y'all, I would not believe I lost my voice, but I would try my best to still give it to you guys even though I sound like a man. Anywho, this is my oil that I will be bringing out to you guys momentarily because it has saved my life. It saved my life. It saved my life. I literally have more than 2 inches of hair now, literally. So anywho, this is part 2 of me doing 12 feeding braids on myself. I'm going to do the footage of me decking out my room in a different part by part, so that way you guys aren't cheated out on the whole process of me doing my hair because I got hair, okay? Anyways, right now I'm just parting my hair. I'm parting down the middle, and no, I did not have help. All I used was my imagination. Might have to do like a little class, maybe like a e-course that you guys can order online, so that way it can assist you and I can teach you guys how I come up with my process to do this, because it's not that hard. It's not hard. It's not hard. I need to stop screaming.